Right, it's the next day, it's a lot sunnier, it's very warm in here, so I need to take this jumper off soon. Let's see whether it's still behaving after a night of just being left to itself. Not a promising start. Right, one pump of the throttle. No, it's doing it again. Right, let's just try something I thought of. Turn it off, turn it back on again. That's fine. And it's gone away. Interesting. Right, so back under here. What we're going to do is take this off again. I'm going to spray this with all the throttle body cleaner. Let that soak. See how it is. It's interesting, it sorts itself out after the second time. Maybe it's always done that. I don't think I've really done it in short succession, but it was definitely better yesterday immediately after doing it. And that'd been turned off for a while in between, so not entirely convinced. Cleaning this did nothing. I think it's done something. So what I'll probably do is just do the other sensors as well. So there is probably have to jack the car up because there's one on the back of the manifold before the cat and one after. Right, so back under here, one throttle body. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep the camera here. What are we looking to do there? Right, and give this. Oh, immediately drops the camera. Now there's a lot of gunge coming out of there now. Definitely cleaner. Definitely cleaner. I do wonder how long this is actually going to keep draining for, because that is there's a lot coming out of there. Maybe actually if I take the map sensor from the other side I can get at it from the Right, we're going to do something a bit risky now, and we're going to fire up the engine with that in, so this could be a humongous fireball. Right, so when I started that, it was very lumpy, probably because of all the throttle body cleaner that was actually in the intake. But after a while it did sort itself out, and then when I tried it again, there was no hesitation on pressing the throttle. But as we just saw, that does seem to go away after a second start, so maybe it's still that. Maybe I just need to come back in a couple of hours or tomorrow and see whether it's still there. But the throttle body is definitely a lot cleaner now. If we try and start it again, it starts up fine now. Still got a hesitation. It's probably drivable. Well, it's definitely drivable. If you're very gentle, it's fine. It's only when you stamp it that you get a momentary shudder. So we turn it off, turn it back on again. No problem. What is wrong? Right, so it's the next day. I have not turned the car on at all today, so this will be completely from cold. So we'll see what it does. Here's the key. Okay, turns on fine. Bit to start with. And one heavy stamp of the accelerator. It's fine. Oh no, there's a bit of a shudder there. That seems... Oh, it's going to be a really inconsistent thing, isn't it? Yeah, that's drivable. Shift it around a bit. Let's move this back a bit more actually, because it's bin day tomorrow. I need some space for the wheelie bins. Well, I was expecting it to be a bit dodgy, but it's okay. So I think it might be time for the MOT.
Several days later.
Right, it's a very warm day today, so this car is very hot. And I know I said we'll do the MOT, but I was just moving it around on the drive, and there's another clunking sound coming from the other side of the suspension. Let's see if we can catch that on video. Oh, there you go. I turn the wheel back the other way. So when I turn the wheel, it clunks. And that is annoying. So aside from being annoying, if I turn the light on again, I'm not looking at the time. Look up here. This spring is fine, but it is not sat in the cup properly. I can't really see it there. Yeah, you can see the back of that spring is not sat in the cup. I'm pretty sure I did this when I was doing the other side, because I used the impact gun on the top of here just to see how tight it was. And there was an awful clunking sound. Whilst we're here, do the other side. Oh, that was a... We'll ignore that. But as I haven't really moved it around too much, I didn't notice. which means I need to take all that off again just to get to there. So I'd actually, before I filmed all this, put this up on the jack, tried to fix it myself, and then I thought, oh, I'll film this. Put the wheel back on. Got some camber going on here now, so yeah, that definitely all needs sorting out compared to the other side, which is nice and flush.